Today I'm going to show you how to combine data from multiple sheets into one single sheet or one single table without copy-pasting manually. This is my sample data, and I want to combine the data from all of the sheets into one single sheet. So let me close this file, and let's work in this new workbook. Go to Data, go to Get Data, from File, and from Excel Workbook, because my data, it's in the Excel Workbook. Select the file and click on Import. Then select multiple items and select all of these sheets that I want to combine and click on Transform Data. This might take a while, depends on the amount of data that you are importing. Alright, so this is the Power Query editor, and I want to append queries. So there are two options over here, append queries or append queries as new. Append queries basically means it appends the queries right here inside this current query. And append queries as new means it appends the queries in a new query. So I will choose this one. And there are more than 3 sheets that I am combining, so I will choose this, and I choose the rest, all of them, and click on Add and click on OK. And now I got all of the sheets combined nicely. So I can change this to date, and I want to rename this to monthly sales data. Then I click Close and Load. And now I got my data combined nicely. And for all of this other data or other sheets, there are actually those that we imported from the raw data. So I can actually delete them. But notice right over here, it says 10 rows loaded. And if I delete them, it says connections only. So it is still connected. It's just it is not displayed inside this workbook. So, and if there is any changes or update from this file, for example, if I add new row, all right, then I can just refresh over here. And you can see that the new row just now is added in over here as well, because they are connected. Alright, so this video is getting long. Definitely try using Power Query next time. And if you are interested in Power Query or learning more about Power Query, comment down below and I'll make more tutorial about Power Query. And I'll see you next time. Bye.